right. It's a new adventure.
It is cruise day.
That's right. So,
We are on a group cruise of our family that we have not seen in a very long time.
That's right.
It's a first for some and rebound for the next. So we are boarding the Norwegian Sky.
that's right.
Yep. So we're heading into the terminal now. Brand new terminal, which
Brand
looks
new
beautiful.
Norwegian Cruise Line terminal.
We should be boarding soon.
We should be boarding soon, and we're gonna have a good time.
Good time. So here we go. Group 2 boarding the Norwegian Sky with the group. This is going to be a hodgepodge of probably video.
Yeah.
Only because we're on a group. There's 14 of us, family getting together, so we're going to try and vlog as much as we can.
All right, we're gonna
So
try.
we're going to start boarding soon. All right, here we go.
Here we go. This is the
Norwegian Sky. Here goes the family, the grandkids going on for the first time. Are we ready for the boat? The loud family on this trip. Copyright, copyright. And here we are on the sky. This way. So we are here at the pool deck, Lido, deck 11. It's got 2 pools, 4 hot tubs. We're sitting here as a family and just enjoying right before the sail away party. So if you're new to our channel, click like and subscribe. We are on the Norwegian Sky for a 7-day trip. We're going to Honduras, Belize, Cozumel, and Grand Cayman. So stick around.
The cop in front.
Yeah, that's the...
Oh, look, they're waving at us. I'm taking pictures of them.
No, that's Carnival.
Look, they have.
See, they have it's a bigger boat. That's what I'm telling you. All right, everyone. So we're gonna do a room tour of a window, porthole window on the Norwegian Sky. Our room number is 8053, 8th floor. Hello.
Well, this is room 8053 on the Norwegian Sky, and as you see in front of you, there is a porthole. Come see. Over here, we have the king-size bed, which is 2 twin mattresses put together.
Sorry, it's a little messy. We were getting ready.
All right, so here we go here. This is the porthole window.
You can't see probably because of the glare, but I'll take an up-close shot in a second and give you that view.
Okay.
So
you have your night lights. Now, here's the nice part. Here's your light, and over on the side you have a USB port, so you can plug your phones in and charge them. Okay, you have one on each side. You also have 2 nightstands on each side with 2 cubby holes where you can put shelving.
put stuff on the shelves.
Now, here, right behind you, you see my bag.
No.
But here, it's a couch. It does. Unfortunately, it doesn't pull out into anything.
In some rooms, it does.
In some rooms, it does. But in this room, it's just a couch.
So you have to look at your booking. Some do pull out into a second bed,
Yes.
or some will have the Pullmans
Pullmans
that
that
come
come
down.
down.
But this one does not. This is a specific room.
This is just lay couch.
All right.
Now, you have a desk. Pardon us, we're a little messy here. We have all our wires and such here. But desk, you have the refrigerator and water. Now, we ordered water. This is what you get. You get 6 of these when you order. I forget the price on how much it is. You'll have to look it up on the Norwegian Cruise Line app, and you'll be able to find that out.
Yeah, that's good because you can't bring on this one any cases of drinks, but you can order water to the room because Norwegian packages have everything included.
That's correct.
Yep.
So now in here you'll have Pellegrino that you can have for $6, and Panina, whatever that is, for $6.50. So
you got a little garbage can, and you have a stool for the ladies to do their makeup.
over here,
You have only one port, electrical outlet, but we have the cruise port that we plug in, and it makes multiple ports. But again, a good thing is that the USB is on the end table light. So
and hence
that's
we
good.
found that last night. So
Yes.
that
Hi
was a good
guys.
find.
Ladies have the mirror with the light above for the makeup. Then a TV over here with storage. So about 3 shelves here. All right.
So from here we have your safe to keep your vegetables, your jewelry, your wallet.
Yep.
Henceforth. And over here you have the all-important hairdryer.
Hair dryer.
You also have
You have 3 drawers there. Pull out
1,
drawers.
2, and 3.
And then you have some hangers and some hanging space. And then we have some
A
stuff
shelf right up on top.
up on top.
From here, this is the other closet. You'll have all your dress stuff. You hang up
The
everything.
life vest and enough hanging space. And then some extra storage space on the bottom.
Over here,
Oh, I didn't even notice those hooks behind you.
you have hooks here and the bathroom.
All right. It's a decent sized bathroom. That makes it look so yellow. Wow. But a decent sized
Shower, hence the old joke, soap those walls and spin. But you'll get clean.
Yep.
Sink, toilet, shelving on the wall, another mirror for the ladies, tissues, toilet paper,
Yep.
garbage pail, everything you basically need in here.
Yep. So that is basically a picture window, porthole room.
Yeah, this is a porthole room. This is the first room for Cat and Mouse Adventures to have. Normally we have an inside room where it's just 4 walls and a bed.
Yeah, we've done a balcony though.
We've had a balcony before, and this is our first porthole, and it's not bad.
Yeah, not
It's
bad for
at
7
all.
days.
Not bad for 7 days at all.
So let's see if you can see.
There we go.
There it is.
There's the water.
And that's the view.
Look at those waves.
So as we sail away from Miami on the Norwegian Sky.
That's right. We're sailing away on the Norwegian Sky. We're doing 7 days Western Caribbean.
Take a look at that view, guys.
That's it.
That's what it's about.
That's what it's all about.
The video does it no justice.
No, it doesn't. You actually have to be here.
Look at the whale tail.
That's it. Alright guys, so this is the end of day 1. I'm sorry it wasn't much, but it was a lot of chaos today.
Yeah, especially when you're traveling with a group of family.
Yeah.
There's a lot to put together. But we are finally at sea.
That's it. So, until tomorrow,
Stay tuned.
stay tuned.
Bye.